In this video, I am going to discuss about the vertebrates. You know, animals with a backbone are called vertebrates and they are classified into 5 groups. So the first group is pisces. Pisces are aquatic animals with a streamlined body. Streamlined body means what? The body is narrow at both the ends. They swim with the help of fins. The body is covered with scales and they breathe through gills. Examples: almost all fishes like rohu, mahashi, electric ray fish, dogfish, etc. Next class is amphibia. Amphibians can live in water as well as on land. They lay their eggs in water. Their body is covered by a slimy and slippery skin. They breathe through lungs and skin. Examples are frog and toad. Next is reptilia. Reptilians mostly live on land. Some live in water too. Their skin is dry and scaly. They breathe through lungs. In this, females lay soft shelled eggs on land and they have 4 short legs for crawling on land. Examples are lizard, snakes, turtle, tortoise, etc. Next class is aves. In this, the body is covered with feathers. They have wings to fly. Their bones are hollow and light in weight, and this type of bone is called a pneumatic bone. Legs bear scales and toes have claws. Their jaws are provided with horny beak, but they have no teeth. Females lay hard-shelled eggs, and the examples are peacock, parrot, pigeon, bulbul, etc. There are some birds that cannot fly like ostrich, penguin, kiwi, etc. Next class is mammalia. Mammalia is also called as milk-nourishing animal. In this, the body is covered with hair. They possess projecting external ears. They give birth to young ones, and the young ones suckle milk from mammary glands present in mothers. Usually they have tail and 4 limbs, but in human being, tail is absent. Okay, and the example is cow, dog, deer, camel, lion, tiger, etc. Okay, now like this you can prepare a question like give one word. Okay, so animals with pores for water intake. The answer will be poriferans. Hollow sac-like animals are what? Cnidarians. Flatworms. Give one word. What will you write? Platyhelminthes. Roundworms means nematodes. Segmented worms. Then you will write annelids. Soft-bodied shelled animals means what? Mollusk. Animals with jointed legs. The answer will be arthropods. Spiny skinned animals. The answer will be echinoderms. So like this you can prepare give one word answer. Okay. Next, same way in vertebrates also you can prepare like animals whose body covered with scales, fins for swimming. Then it belongs to which class? Fishes. Then animals can live in water as well as on land, but must go to water for laying eggs, and the answer will be amphibians. Mostly land vertebrates with dry and scaly skin, and the answer will be reptiles. Next, body covered with feathers and having wings for flying. Answer will be birds. Next, body covered with hair and their young ones suckle milk from the mother, and the answer will be what? Mammals. Clear? So like this you can prepare the questions. Then again examples also. So examples of poriferans, sponges. Is an example of cnidarians, hydra. 2 examples of platyhelminthes, tapeworm, liver fluke. Then example of nematodes, ascaris. Examples of annelids, earthworm and leech. Examples of mollusk, snail and slug. Examples of arthropods, ant, bees, prawn, butterfly, etc. Examples of echinoderms, starfish, clear, sea urchin. Then next examples of fishes. So 2 examples, rohu, katla. Examples of amphibians, frog and toad. Examples of reptiles, lizard and snake. Examples of birds, pigeon and parrot. An example of mammals: cow, rat. Clear? Thank you.